what he biting on?
Yeah.
So it's like he feel it on his neck.
Oh,
I'm not really
yeah.
pulling his mouth, but when I pull his mouth, then when I give it to him,
Yeah.
that means go. When I take it from him, that means stop. When I pull it this way, that means
Oh,
turn.
yeah, that makes
When I
sense.
pull it that way, it means turn. You feel me? When I back up, that means back up.
Yeah, damn.
Oh. Feel me?
Nah, that's tough. I ain't gonna lie, that's tough.
So when I took off over there, I was doing the right, but I went like this.
Yeah.